This oven-baked herb-stuffed fish is pure luxury on a plate, buttery, juicy, and bursting with flavor. This fish is so juicy and fragrant, your oven will start bragging about it. Listen up, we're baking a golden, herb-loaded beauty that falls apart with every fork pull. In a bowl, mix your magic: paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne, and salt. Blend it until it looks too good to resist. Brush your cleaned fish with oil so that seasoning sticks like a dream. Coat every side generously with your spice mix. Stuff the inside with fresh lemon slices, thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Then tie it gently so all that goodness stays locked in. Bake until the skin turns golden and crispy, and the herbs release their mouth-watering aroma. Chop some fresh cilantro and set it aside. In a small pot, melt 1 stick of butter. Add minced garlic. Then stir in your leftover seasoning mix. Add fresh lemon juice. Toss in the chopped cilantro and combine everything into a rich, buttery herb sauce. Place the fish on a larger plate, definitely bigger than mine. The one I used was way too small. Cut the twines carefully and let those fragrant herbs show off their beauty. Pour the warm garlic butter sauce over the fish and brush it until it glistens like gold. Serve it hot, juicy, and camera ready. Every bite melts in your mouth. This dish is a masterpiece of flavor and aroma. Like, share, save, and follow for more irresistible recipes. Would you try this for dinner tonight or save it for the weekend? #juicy herb stuffed fish.